In this video, we listed the 5 best large 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Artillery Sidewinder X1. The Artillery Sidewinder X1 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for fast and precise printing, especially suitable for flexible filament. Made from durable aluminum and featuring a sleek dark color, this printer arrives 95% pre-assembled, ensuring easy installation. It boasts a print speed of up to 150 mm per second, facilitated by a direct drive extruder and a fast heating AC heat bed equipped with thermal runaway protection for safety. The printer maintains stability during high-speed operations with inductive sensor end stops on the XYZ axis and a synchronized dual Z system, supported by a reliable branded power supply. Additionally, it offers filament runout and power loss detection and recovery, allowing it to resume printing after interruptions. With a generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, the Sidewinder X1 operates quietly due to its ultra-quiet stepper drivers and innovative belt-driven motion system, making it suitable for use in various environments without causing disturbance. Number 2. TRONXY X5 SA 3D Printer. The TRONXY 3D printer is a versatile and user-friendly device designed to enhance the printing experience with its advanced features. Constructed from durable metal, the printer has dimensions of 25.39 x dx 22.83 wx 25.2 h and weighs 14.5 kilograms, making it suitable for use with a personal computer. The operation interface supports 8 languages, including English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Russian, French, German, and Spanish, allowing users to switch languages seamlessly and improving the overall user experience. It offers for printing modes, monochrome mode, dual color mode, duplication mode, and mirror mode, catering to various creative needs. The printer is compatible with soluble support PVA filament and can print with TPU, PLA, ABS, and PETG filaments. For dual head printing, users must set the E offset for consistency in the X, Y direction. TRONXY provides a 1-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring customer satisfaction and assistance with installation or usage queries. Number 3. Longer LK1. The Longer 3D printer is a high-performance device designed for both ease of use and efficiency. It features an extra-large build platform of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, allowing users to print models that are not possible with 90% of other printers. The printer is equipped with a unique high-precision 0.4 nozzle and a straight-through design that reduces weight on the X-axis, enhancing performance for taller prints. It includes a recover printing function, enabling it to resume printing after power outages or filament lapses, thus saving material and time. The printer is easy to assemble, taking only 15 minutes, and features a 2.8-inch touch screen with a user-friendly interface for offline printing. It operates efficiently and safely with a 360W power supply and 24V safe voltage, featuring a tempered glass plate on the heated bed to prevent warping and built-in power management and cooling systems. Additionally, Longer offers 24/7 lifetime technical support from experienced 3D printing engineers, ensuring users can achieve professional quality prints. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra X. The Anycubic Kobra X 3D printer is a user-friendly device designed for both beginners and experienced users, featuring fast assembly with only 12 screws and 3 cables to connect. It boasts high print precision thanks to its Y-axis dual sideway and Z-axis dual screw rod design, enabling detailed printing of textures and surfaces. The printer offers a large build volume of 11.81 inches in length and width, and 12 inches in height, accommodating larger models that many other 3D printers cannot. Its patented heat bed with a microporous coating ensures strong adhesion during printing and easy removal once cooled. Additional features include a resume print function for power outages, a responsive TFT touch screen, and a Meanwell power supply for enhanced safety. The printer is backed by lifetime technical support. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra S1. The Anycubic brand offers a metal 3D printer with dimensions of 22-inch dx19, wx18, h and a weight of 1 kg, compatible with laptops. The printer, known as the Anycubic ACE Pro for Kobra 3, is not compatible with the Anycubic Kobra S1 without an upgrade pack, which is anticipated to be launched in April. Users can enhance their printing experience by updating to firmware version 2.4.8.3 or later, unlocking additional features. The printer boasts high speed and precision, with a travel speed of 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 20,000 mm², thanks to its Core XY construction, dual motor drive, and Kobra OS system that minimize vibrations during printing. The Anycubic Kobra S1 is equipped with a full metal hot end reaching temperatures up to 320 and a hotbed maintaining temperatures up to 120, suitable for various filaments like PLA, TPU, ASA, ABS, and PETG, with multiple nozzle sizes available. Additionally, Anycubic offers a self-operated model library called Make Online, providing over 3,000 high-quality model resources for free from designers worldwide, facilitating one-click printing.